What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the 2022 Ford Maverick pickup starts at just under $20,000 and it has Bronco sport bones with a hybrid powertrain. Now, the all-new Ford Maverick is a compact unibody pickup truck with a hybrid powertrain as standard and a starting MSRP of $19,995. Now, Ford calls the new Maverick America's first standard full hybrid pickup truck, claiming the title of the market's most fuel-efficient truck with an EPA estimated rating of 40 miles per gallon in the city, and that's 37 miles combined. Now, the new Maverick is the baby of Ford's truck family. How small? Well, at 199.7 inches long and 68.7 inches high, the new unibody truck is 11.1 inches shorter and 2.1 inches lower than the Ranger, which up to now was the smallest member of the lineup. Now, Ford believes that the Maverick will attract entry-level customers looking for a more practical vehicle and even those who never considered a truck. In a market dominated by SUVs and trucks, you can't argue against a four-door pickup with a sub $20,000 price tag that also happens to be a hybrid. Now, the new entry-level version of the Maverick is powered by a hybrid 2.5-liter powertrain with an Atkinson-cycle 4-cycle ICE producing 162 horsepower and 155 pound-feet, and an electric motor kicking out 126 horsepower, 173 pound-feet of torque. Combined, the power output is rated at 191 horsepower sent to the front wheels via a CVT transmission. Now, Ford says that the Maverick Hybrid can come over 500 miles, 805 kilometers on a single tank of fuel, offers a payload of 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms, and a capability to tow 2,000 pounds, 907 kilograms. Now, those wanting more power and capability can go for the 2-liter EcoBoost engine, which produces 250 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque and is paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now, the Maverick with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine is also offered with the standard front-wheel drive and optional all-wheel drive. When fitted with the optional 4K tow package, the new Maverick 2.0 EcoBoost can tow up to 4,000 pounds, 1,814 kilograms. Now, the Maverick features a 4.5-foot bed, 6 feet long when the tailgate is open, riddled with clever functionality solution. Ford calls it the Flex Bed, with a load area featuring special stamped slots for customers to slide 2x4s and 2x6s to create their own elevated floors, segmented areas, and do-it-yourself solutions. Now, the bed also features 2 tie-downs, 4 D-rings, and built-in thread holes in the sides to bolt in accessories and other creations. And a multi-position tailgate completes the flex bed system. Now, in addition, the new Maverick also offers 2 110 outlets, one in the cabin and the other in the bed. It even has another 12-volt DIY pre-packaged in the bed, which will be used for wiring extra lights. Now, the cabin of the 2022 Maverick features an 8-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ford's Sync 3 system will be an option on Lariat models, while the Ford Pass Connect feature will be standard, featuring a modem and Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices. Now, customers can find their truck, check the fuel level, lock and unlock the doors, and start or turn off the engine via their smartphones. And the interior hosts a range of clever storage spaces, including door cup holders that can hold up to 1-liter bottles, door pockets that can fit a tablet or notebook, and even a huge storage bin under the rear bench for larger items. Now, true to the DIY nature of the new Maverick, Ford has added a new tether system for rear passengers. The system, called FITS, or Ford Integrated Tether System, is basically a slot in the back of the center console designed to accommodate different accessories. Ford will even publish the slot geometry to allow customers to 3D print their own solutions. Now, the new Ford Maverick will reach the market this fall in XL, XLT, and Lariat trim levels. Customers will also be offered a special first edition model alongside the FX4 off-road package, which is reserved exclusively for the all-wheel drive models and adds a beefier cooling system, skid plates, 17-inch wheels, and more. So with that said, what do you guys think about the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the 2022 Ford Maverick hybrid pickup truck. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. Help support your boy, and I appreciate the love. You can also check out the Ron's Rides merch, just in case you guys want to get a t-shirt, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides. Now, I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. So everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos, it doesn't always make it here on the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides news video. Peace.